Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful purple and butterfly set. I'm using the Nail Addict LA. It's called Purple Addict. I got this last year. I received an email for 40% off. So I decided to get the top coat, base coat, that purple color, and then I got like a bluish glittery one. I'm going to be using the Nail Couture full cover coffin tips, and then some of these purple and blue rhinestones. And then these little charms here that I got from my Nails by Lene, the mystery bag. And then I have these butterfly stickers that I'm going to be using too. I'm also going to be using the shimmery stickers. So I'm going to get started with this peel off base coat. I used this 2 times already. This is the 3rd time using it. The first time it stayed on, so good. I literally had to soak my hands in hot water and they still wouldn't come off. So the second time I used a little bit of cuticle oil and they came right off. So I'm just gonna try it again, just a thin layer, and see, because I do want them to stay on for a couple days, so we'll see how that goes. I didn't prep, I prepped my cuticles and stuff, but I didn't put any dehydrator or anything, so I wanna see how this round goes. So I'm just, after I put the peel off base coat, I went in with some base coat from Nail Couture, and I cured that for 30 seconds. And then I'm going in with the clear bubblegum gel to place the tips, and I just scoop out a little bit and just place it at the cuticle area, and then just push it down with my fingers and kind of flatten it a little bit. Max said you can use your fingers and it doesn't affect the product, so I just place it at an angle on my nail, press it down until the gel gets to the free edge, and then I go ahead and cure it for, I just flash cure it in place for a couple seconds, and then once I'm finished with all the fingers, I place my whole hand in my curing lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm going in with my sanding band, and I'm just going to roughen up the nail tip, and I'm also going to go around the cuticles for any little bit that seeped out. Not a lot seeps out with the bubblegum gel. I really like it. It's thick and it's real easy to work with. So yeah, I'm just going to roughen up the tips a little bit, that way the gel polish has something to stick to. And then I'll also be going around with a cuticle bit and going around and cleaning up around the cuticles, making the nail tip flush with the cuticle area. And then after that, I'll go in with my hand file and just crispen up the shape a little bit. Not too much is needed, but just make it a little bit straighter. Okay, so I'm going in with the base coat from Nail Addict, And I'm just gonna apply a little bit to each nail, and then I cure my hand for 30 seconds. So now I'm going in with the purple Addict nail polish. It's pretty sheer, so I actually did about 4 coats, but I did each coat very thin, that way it wouldn't get too thick on the nail and take away the structure of the coffin nail. So I just went in with really thin layers on each nail, and then I cured each section, or each layer, excuse me, for 60 seconds. And then like I said, yeah, I did use about 4 layers it took to get the opacity that I wanted. So this is what it's looking like after 4 coats of the gel polish. So I'm just gonna go in now with the no wipe top coat. I actually did not like this top coat. It was shiny at first, and then not even a few minutes, like while I was taking my pictures and stuff, it got real cloudy. It didn't even look shiny anymore, so I don't know what was going on with that. Had no clue. It was no wipe, so it didn't feel sticky or anything. It just didn't stay shiny. So I actually went in after and used my eNail Couture Wonder Gel, and that's what made it super shiny. So yeah, and here, see, I already had it on when I put the stickers on and everything, and yeah, it just got really dull really fast. So I'm just going on now, after I pop coat on for 60 seconds, and then I'm just going on with the stickers and just placing some stickers on each of the nails. On the thumb, I placed 2 butterflies. And then I'll go ahead and go in with another layer of top coat, just to top coat the stickers so they don't lift. Now I'm going to take some Rhinestone Glue and place that near the cuticle area, and I'm going to be placing, just picking up random colors. There's like blue, purple, and then like a mixture. I just kind of picked up whatever and placed just a couple rhinestones around the cuticle area, and then I'll go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. I'm gonna take these butterfly charms that I got from the Macart Mariposa Mayhem decor collection. I'm gonna take one and place it on the middle finger, like kind of in the middle, just at like an angle. I'm not trying to make it perfect or anything. And I'm just placing that on with the rhinestone glue, and then I cure that for 60 seconds. And then around the cuticle area, I'm using this diamond shape. I don't know if they're rhinestones or they're like clear with iridescent. I got them from the Lene mystery bag. So I'm placing a diamond, and then on each side I'm placing a square where the diamond, I don't know, just lining it up against the diamond, so it's kind of like having 3 diamonds there. I don't know, just something random I just thought of to do. So yeah, I'm just placing those with the rhinestone glue, and then I cure for 60 seconds. And then again, I'm going in with the top coat, just to top coat the stickers. So I don't know what happened to the footage of me placing the cuticle oil, but I guess it got deleted somehow, but I did put cuticle oil. And these are the finished nails here. I absolutely love this color. Right here it looks a little dark, but in the sun it's like a vibrant magenta purple. I don't know, it's a hard color to describe, but it's so pretty. And then I'll show it here with the flash too. But yeah, I really liked the polish overall. It was a good consistency and I really liked it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.